Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the formula of concave mirror, how to find the relation between U, V and F. Today I am deriving about the formula how to you can calculate U, V, F. You know that the formula is 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. How can we prove it? This is most important question for your board examination, either you are 12th or 10th. So start. This is a concave mirror and this is the pole of this mirror and this is principal axis C and this is the principal axis also. If we put the any objects at here ABC between infinite and C, then the line which passes through the top and parallel to the principal axis will be passes through the focus, and the line which passing through point C that will be written at same path. Their path will be no changing. Again, I am repeating, the line which is parallel to this principal axis, after reflection it will passes through the point F, and the line which passes through the at C will be written in same path. Then you can consider two triangles. Triangle here intersection point, you will get the image A dash and B dash. If we consider the points in triangle A, B and C, and also triangle A dash, B dash, C, both are similar because angle B dash is also 90 degree and same here angle B is 90 degree. So you can say both angle are 90 degree angle. And here angle C, angle A dash, B dash, C, A dash, C, B dash and also A, C, B both are equal because corresponding angle. Vertically opposite angle, sorry. तो यहां से अगर ये ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल A dash, B dash, C, so we can take the ratio. If two triangles are equal similar, then we can write the sides of all triangles sides will be equals as you can see here, AB by A1 B1 is equals to same here BC by B1 C and also AC by A1 A dash C. But I have to no need of A dash C, so leave that point. Again, this is equation first. AB by A dash B dash is equals to BC by B dash C. Again, we can consider the triangle. If we draw the perpendicular from point M at the principal axis, point's name is N. This is the perpendicular point N. So in second triangle you can see A dash, B dash and F, and also M, N, F both are similar. Triangle A dash, B dash, F, A dash, B dash, F, A dash, B dash, F is similar to triangle B dash is 90 degree and here in triangle M and F, angle N is 90 degree. So B dash here and N will be in middle, and also A dash is M and F is also F. Then you can write triangle A dash B dash F is similar to triangle M N F. So we can take the ratio of the sides. First we are writing Mn divided by A dash B dash, which equals to Nf divided by B1F, and there is no need of third side, so leave them. Mn divided by A dash B dash is equals to Nf divided by B1F B dash F. This is your equation second. Again you can see this is the triangle first, this is triangle second, this is 90, this is 90, this is equals to this. So we can take the ratio of these sides, then this will be and again here A dash B dash F M and F both are similar, so we can take the ratio. Consider Mn is equal to AB. Mn is equals to AB because both are parallel. Both are parallel. Principal axis and line AM both are parallel. So Mn is equals to AB. Mn is equals to AB. So put the value of Mn here. You will get AB divided by A dash B dash is equals to NF divided by B1F is equation third. You can note here. Yes, it is visible. दिख रहा है, ठीक है, थोड़ा दिख रहा है. So I'm checking that visible here or not because I am alone here shooting the video at I think 10:30 p.m. So we can put the value of AB by A dash B dash in equation third, because BC by B dash C is equals to AB by A dash B dash. Here AB by A dash B dash is equals to BC. If this is equals to this is equals to that, then this is equals to that. So we can see BC is equals BC by B dash C. BC here BC by B dash C is equals to NF by B dash F. Okay, and again we can write BC. There is no value of BC, so we have to put the form of UV and F, because I have to find the relation between UV and F. So BC, there is no value of BC, so we can write BC is equals to PB minus PC. PB minus PC. So PB minus PC is equals to BC. PB minus PC is equals to BC. Here B dash C, again there is no value of B dash C, so we have to write the form of UV and F. So we can write it PC minus PB dash. PC minus PB dash is equals to NF. NF no changing. B dash F, here B dash F, you can write PB dash minus PF. B dash F is equals to PB dash minus PF. Then you will get B dash P minus PF. So check the value. Again BC is There was a problem in my phone, so video was cut. Sorry for that. Again, I am checking. Then again take both triangle are similar, then you can take the ratio, and again this triangle was similar to this triangle, then you can take the ratio, then you will get equation first. And also this triangle is equals to similar again this triangle, then you can take the ratio of both triangle, and mn is equals to ab, then you will get equation third. Then by first and third you will get this. Then BC, you can change the PB minus PC, and also B dash C is PC minus PB dash is equals to NF is also NF divided by B dash F is PB dash minus PF. Then again PB is the distance of the object from the pole, so you can write here U, and PC is twice of focal length. So you can write here 2F divided by PC is 2F minus PB dash is the distance of the image from the pole, so you will put here V. And right hand side you can see NF. Here N is the perpendicular on PF. Perpendicular, it means MN is too close of at point P, too close. It is the you can consider like this is too close, so you can write FN is also FP. FN, here you can give the region FN is PF, so you can write PF is F, and B dash P is V minus PF is F. So cross multiplying both sides, then you will get UV, then put here UV, UF minus UF, 2FV, 2VF, and 2F minus plus 2F square, and here 2F square minus you multiply with F and VF. So both are positive and equal, interchanging this will get you will get minus, then it will be 0, so I cancel it. UV minus UF is equals to minus 2UV 2VF, interchange both sides, it will be positive sign, and this is negative, so it will be subtract, and you will get resultant VF. Here you will get resultant copy it UV minus UF is equals to VF, dividing by UV and F, then you will get relation. I am dividing both sides, so equation will be balanced, there is no problem. Then you will get 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon U, then interchanging 1 upon V, so you will get 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. ये दूसरी बार शूट करना पड़ रहा है, पहली बार शूट करे थे तो वीडियो 10 मिनट वाला जैसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम दिखा रहा था, तो वीडियो कट गई, हमें समझ आया नहीं। खैर कॉपी कर सकते हैं आप, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में दिया गया है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, समझ आएगा।